Hi, this is Sean Darrington, Senior Director of Product Management here at Exablocks. In this short how-to video, I want to share with everybody how to configure VLAN tagging for the different port groups. So I'm going to go ahead and log in here. Now this is not the way that everybody would log in to perform these tasks via using the console or the command line. You connect a monitor and keyboard, and the default username and password is admin config, all lowercase. I'm doing it this way to share with everybody how to actually do the screen recording so that I can demonstrate this. Normally, keyboard and monitor into the back of the OneBlocks, and you'll be able to have access to a limited number of functions within the OneBlocks. And now you'll see that this is actually in my 40,001. It's my OneBlocks host name. There's config, and I can do help, and you can just tab to autocomplete. And I'm going to go ahead and do the network. And again, if you do help, you can see different functions. So now if I look at cluster and data management, I already have in the previous how-to video, I enabled port groups. So I just want to show everybody that they are enabled. You can check and verify your management port group settings as well as your data port group settings this way. So now I just do show management. It'll tell me exactly how things are configured. Now, if you look here at the help options, if you do want to have a network that you do separate cluster traffic on a different VLAN, and you want to tag that differently, or if you want to do that for the management network, you can do so as well. And you can see the nomenclature here, and the formatting of the text that you would do is management static. In this case, I could set a VLAN. So now, because I've already set my static IP, I've already enabled my port groups in the other one, I'm actually just going to focus on the VLAN tagging for this how-to video. So now for the cluster VLAN, you can pick whatever number you'd like, however you'd like to tag it, and then hit enter. Now remember, nothing is actually applied or saved until you type apply. Everything is pending. And so now for this, I can also do, I'm going to do my data at 499. Whoops, and you see it gave me an error because I actually did not do that correctly. I have to do the data VLAN at 499. Now I can actually show my cluster, and now you can see here my default setting is a tag of 1. I have a pending change of 455. If I do show data, it has my current IP networking settings that are static at a .13 address, but I have a pending change of VLAN here. So now I can do apply, and that will actually apply the settings. And again, this may take a minute or so because it is resetting some of the network interfaces, so just be patient, and those settings will be applied and saved. Okay, so now it looks like it's come back. So now if I want to, I can do show cluster, and now you can see the current settings of the VLAN of 455. I can show management. I have the same network settings, and I did not do anything on my VLAN tag for this because I don't tag VLANs for the management traffic, otherwise I'd lose access to the OneBlocks. And in this case, show data, you can see now I have a VLAN tag of 499. If I ever want to change this, I can do that as well. So I can put it back to the default of 1, show data, a pending change, and I can apply that, and it'll go back to the default setting of 1 if you want to have access that way. And there's the setting change that's confirmed. And when you're done, simply log out. And that's as easy as it is to set up VLAN tagging for cluster, management, or data port groups. Thanks for watching.